Hey Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I wanted to share with you a sign-up offer that you can have the chance to make up to £4,500 from. Now, when I say up to £4,500, that's because there are varying rewards that you can get from this welcome offer, but I'll talk you through those in this video and I'll share with you the platform, and at the end, I'll share with you a special thank you kind of bonus thing I want to do for subscribers of the channel that sign up to this site through my link. Before we get into it though, as usual, I'd like to mention the Profit Boss Match Betting and Value Betting Facebook group. It's all about making money through sign-up offers through the bookmakers and also taking advantage of mispriced odds when value betting. But if there are any sign-up offers that just give free money away that aren't betting related like this one, then I will share it over on that group there. So it's well worth joining at the link in the description if you're not yet a member. But wasting no time at all, let's get on the laptop here and firstly, and then we're going to get on my phone as well, and I'll show you what the app looks like as well. So the site is called Webull, and this is something that I mentioned on the channel here about 9 or 10 months ago, something like that. And then they had their referral offer going where you could earn money by referring your friends, and then they stopped doing it. So we kind of haven't spoken about it since, but now they've just brought it back out again, and it's going to be running till the 20th of August, 2024. So as long as you're watching this video before the 20th of August, then you've got a chance here to make some money, either through joining up as a new customer or joining up, getting your referral, and then referring any friends that you may have. So yeah, really good to take advantage of this while it's available. You can see here, super professional website. I won't go through all the different details on here, but when you go on through the link in the description here, you can see they've got like cash savings accounts now, which is fairly new. You can earn 4.75% interest through their cash savings. You got paper trading, so you can do practice stock trading there without using your own money if you're just wanting to learn completely risk-free. So I think that's a really good thing to get involved with, especially as a beginner. I know it's sometimes tempting to just get into stock trading and just go for it with your own money. But if you're really, really clever about it, you can just use a paper trading account like what's offered here on Webull. But yeah, you can scroll through the site there. A really, really professional website, as I say. And they are regulated by the FCA in the UK, so Financial Conduct Authority. There you go. And there's their FCA registered number there, 961286, if you're interested. So your money, your details, everything is completely safe with Webull. They were first established in America, and now they're over here in the UK. But if we now jump onto the app, I'll show you now. So this is the main sort of screen here, the feed screen. And it's different people sort of writing their thoughts on what's going on. The stocks there with the most mentions, like Palantir, Netflix there. Then you can click onto the middle option, which gives you your account balance and all your orders there, transfers, history, everything like that. Then you go onto markets, and you can just, obviously, as it's, this says on the tin, you can look through the different markets here. So what's trending, market overview. There's just so much involved here. It's a fantastic app. If you're not just joining this to make money from the welcome offer, if you're actually genuinely looking to start getting into like stock trading, this app is fantastic for doing that. The amount of information on here and on their desktop version is insanely good. What I would want to go to next is, if we click on menu, you can click on this Webull promotions there, second one down in the messages, and you can see here, limited time, upgrade your referral rewards now. So when you refer a friend, get at least $30, so around £20 of free fractional shares. And this is the one that's available till the 20th of August. Now, all you need to do if you're a new customer and you join up through my link down in the description, you literally click the link, download the app, and deposit £1. That's it. And I don't even think you need to invest that in anything. It's literally just open the account, deposit £1. And then you're going to get these 3 fractional shares worth between £7 as a minimum. So, if it takes you 10 minutes to set up, to make £7 as an absolute bare minimum in 10 minutes is quite a good hourly rate. But you do have the chance to actually get up to £700 of free fractional shares there, 3 of them. Now, there is another option, which I don't think too many people will go for, but as I say, if you're looking to use this and genuinely get into trading, if you open your account and deposit £2,000, sorry, I'm just checking my sheet here so I get all the information correct, as a minimum, you'll get 20 fractional shares and then at least £45 bare minimum, but up to £4,500. So it is really simple to get started with this. What I wanted to do now is talk about the thank you that I want to give back to channel subscribers for getting involved with this through my link in the description. So if you're a brand new user to Webull and you open an account, what you'll be able to do is just comment below on this video and put I used your link or used your link, something like that. Then when this promotion finishes on the 20th of August, if say 50 people have joined up through my link, I'll go out and buy 50 scratch cards and I'll film a video of me scratching all the cards, and whatever prize money is won between those cards collectively, I'll show the video on the Facebook group. I will then pick a winner out of the comments below, and whoever gets picked at random, because there's a site you can use which picks random YouTube comments, I'll use that software to pick a winner, and they will win whatever prize money is won between those scratch cards. If 100 people join, I literally will go and buy 100 £2 scratch cards. So that's like 200 quid's worth of scratch cards, scratch them on the video, and again, whoever is picked at random will win all of that prize money. If you enjoyed this video, please do tap the like button below. I do appreciate it. And as usual, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.